1973 automatic passenger bus that's getting put together. We purchased this one in Arizona. It has taken a while to get it to this point. Mainly bodywork and paint, and then of course the motor rebuild, all new brakes, the electrical. We also rebuilt the transmission. We really couldn't avoid rebuilding the transmission, something that needed to happen. Sometimes the transmissions can hold up and do okay, and sometimes they don't. You got to rebuild them. So, pretty common, especially with an automatic bus. But it's looking sharp.
You know what's cool about this thing? Because the inside is
Let's
green.
check out the motor, guys. The motor looks beautiful. We still have to do some detailing to it. It's missing an engine tin on this side right here. Missing an engine tin and the foam that goes around it. But very beautiful looking motor.